website front page, right? Now just right click on this, view source page. You'll get the code, select all, copy. And before we start, yeah, just a minute. Let me just share you one of the PPT also so that you later on you can do it. And from now I will be share my complete screen so that you can able to see everything what I'm doing. Nothing can be missed. I might not able to look your screens for next 5-10 minutes. Just bear with me. And yeah, just one more thing. Are you guys excited? I just forgot to ask you your excitement level. I need some good chairs to start, right? Okay, cool. So as you can see, this is the Groovy source code. Just select all, copy, open Notepad. Paste it, file, save as, use Windows desktop, write index.html and document type, all files. Save it. So you can see similar kind of page is being created in just 2 minutes, but here the location is C user Sahil desktop index.html, but over here the application is groovy.in. It is being served from the Groovy server, and this is being served from my personal laptop. Only I can open this. Okay. But later on, in just next 5-10 minutes, I'll show you everyone can be able to see a website which we will just create. Okay, so this is how you can create your any web page. I will share one of the document also with you guys so that everything whatever I am doing today will be visible to you. Just a minute. It's also mentioned in the document. Just let me know if you are able to download this or you can open this document. I'll just share. Can anyone confirm? Are you able to open this document? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Simran. Thank you, Ajay. Shantanu. Yeah, let me just share. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we will use ChatGPT to create a website. I need to create a simple web page in HTML for the webinar given today on 20th June 2025 by Groovy side. I also have some team members with me whom I need to add in this HTML page. It will autocorrect, yeah. Just ignore the writing mistakes. I'll add some names and just share. So it's writing code. See, it's so smart, it will show you two codes, whatever you like. Okay, so let it get completed, then we'll copy. Meanwhile, let me open the location. This is today's webinar location. You can see webinar 262025. So let me just copy this code. Anything else it has created? Okay, let me go copy this. Same way, paste it here, file, save as. Now you have to choose the location. (262025) index.html, all files, save. Now let me just open how this web page look like. This is some of the web, this will be our web page, right? Which we are going to deploy on the internet, and you are able to see this. Are you guys excited? Don't ask me why these names are there. I'll tell you in the end of this webinar. Okay. Use the chat box, please. Let me know how much you guys are excited. This will be deployed. Website is good. Did we used any code so far? We have used ChatGPT. Okay. So from now we will leverage cloud AWS to deploy the website. So this is the cloud console. This is the cloud console. Looks like everything, if you see, is console based. Everything you can see the tools and everything in the screen, and what all tools are available. If you see over are my application, my all servers, everything, it's a console based. You don't have to code anything over here, right? Also, I have shared you the web page where it is. Yeah, this page. So this is all the steps, whatever things I am going to do it from now, right? So don't be panic. First, you need to leverage S3 bucket to upload the data, what you have created, the website. Over here, just create bucket. So webinar 20th June 2025 UV. Okay, so this is the bucket we are creating. Just click on create. Bucket is created. Virginia. Okay, upload. Add files. Go to your website. This is today's date, right? Click on upload. This is uploading, upload successful. Close, check. This is done. What you need to do now, we need to publish this website over the internet. So we will leverage one cloud services, which is called as CloudFront. CloudFront is basically used to expedite whatever things you are creating over the internet. Create CloudFront distribution, give distribution a name. Create distribution. Next, Amazon S3. Now over here, browse S3. You can select your web page, origin path, index.html. Next, let it be. Do not enable security. Next, origin path, we need to add it. On. I think they have something changed. So let me just check once. Origin access control. Okay. Next, do not enable create distribution. While this distribution is getting created, what you need to do, go to origin, edit this, copy policy, and go back to the bucket, edit bucket policy. I think it's added already. Yeah, some smart work is being done. Okay, save changes. Nothing need to be done now. They have updated something right now. Okay, let me just cross verify a few more things. It's getting deployed. Webinar. It's not yet deployed. Still in deploying phase. Let's just wait for it. Wait for 5 minutes. Let it get deployed. Says denied. Okay. HTTP. Edited. Origin access control. Everything is good. Bucket permissions. Just a minute, guys. Some sort of issue. That's what we are working on daily basis. Edit, copy policy, paste it, save it. Okay, so I can see they have deployed something new today, and this kind of thing happen very frequently in these kind of environment. So as such, I think my AWS is also upgraded today itself. You guys can just follow this web page if you have a new account, and this will deploy the website like in same way, right? And in this AWS, what we say, distribution, you'll be able to see the web page directly. If you copy this distribution, it's still in deploying phase, not sure why. Some error is coming today. Access denied. So today we need to troubleshoot this issue. And as such, I've already shared you the guide. So you can follow, and once you follow this, you'll be able to deploy the website very easily. That's what we used to do in daily basis, right? Let me check one more time. And let me troubleshoot this object. So opening from S3 bucket directly. It should not happen. Let me share you this URL. Check whether you guys are able to. Not allowing me to paste as well. I think the chat is very much long. Okay. So today we are ending up with this error. So we won't be able to see the website live today. Yeah. So let me cover the other parts, what we have done. So basically the major part you are able to see, this is how you can create a website. In the same manner, you can also deploy it over the internet through these things, and it will be very easy. I've already shared the guide. You can use it. And yeah, we can cover the slides now. So in this part, we have covered the software delivery part, correct? Everything about software, how the software get delivered and everything. Now, if you see this slide, this is what a master chef example for DevOps, right? Over here, you can see if you are into a master chef kitchen and you are a chef, same way DevOps engineers there who knows every single tool. Same way master chef knows every single dishes to cook, right? The thing is there is an ingredient differences on some different dishes, you need to provide some different ingredients. Same way, DevOps engineer uses the same tool to provide a different software, gaming software, application software, software like WhatsApp and everything. And these are the basic tool that every DevOps engineer is using out. First is GitLab, Ansible, Docker. See some of the logos you need to make sure you can remember. This is Jenkins logo, this is Grafana, this is Terraform. Somewhere it is written, but somewhere like this is Kubernetes, this is Ansible. So that's how a DevOps engineer works on everyday basis. Yeah. So now, as you have already gone through with this CI/CD code thing and everything, so what you need to do, we have already shared you the part. Now you need to use some of the basic term. You need to go through the Google, check for CI/CD, Jenkins, how it works, like that, right? And no code, low code example I've already shared with you. Now, best practice, what you need to do. So leverage documentation and tutorials. Start small. You need to start small application building like the same. You encounter some of the errors. Google it, search it, build it again, and work on these things. Right? Collaborate with developers. If someone is having their developer friends, ask with them, sit with them, check how this code is built, and just grab the basic information from them side. Right? Use managed services. Likewise, we are using AWS Lambda serverless. Same way, AWS services are all managed, so you can use those. Right? And the four steps: become relevant. How you can become relevant? By having some sort of training, by having some sort of knowledge on some tools and technologies, you are becoming relevant. Learn by doing. So basically, you need to do create a portfolio online, and you need to perform all the practicals. Basically, that's how you learn by doing, learn by practicing. These kind of error are very basic. You'll encounter every single day. Then you have to just bounce back with these errors while searching, while reading the code again, and having your things done with the right path. Same thing we need to do, and then you can build your online portfolio, showcasing all the projects you are creating on your own lab projects. Share some of the details on top of your resumes with the projects. Land and thrive. Just schedule your interview and give your best. This is what you can do. And you know, it is not possible to share all the concept and everything in just 60 minutes for DevOps. So it's time so that our career counselor Hamad can guide you with all the sort of details, and we can discuss more on DevOps technology part, how you can thrive into DevOps, what all career path you need to choose, what all technologies, how you can create your resume, how you can build everything on top of DevOps, and he will guide you now.